Alright, so I've got me a little $20 Laser Boresighter. It's from T-wod, 2-wod, I don't know, T-wod, which is a Chinese company, and like I said, they tend to make stuff for the airsoft world, but it works a little bit for the regular folks too. So I have had some of these laser sighters before, and they're all about the same price, and they work about the same. But I like this one because it comes in a kit, so I don't lose all the little arbors. Starts out in 17 caliber. It's pretty simple. You got the laser, green laser. You got this tail, it sticks out of the bore of your rifle. Then you got these little arbors. So this is 17 caliber. This tip is 22. It goes up, I believe, to 50 cal. And it's got, 17 to 50. And then it's also got some adapters for 20 gauge and 12 gauge. And I used it here to sight in the scope I have on my AR. Pretty decent little setup. It comes with a battery, comes with a screwdriver, comes with some extra pins, some extra screws. Apparently, hey, that's nice, I didn't even know that, but the screwdriver is actually magnetized, which is cool. But it's pretty simple. You just stick it down the barrel, turn the laser on, go out to the distance. So on a AR-15 battle sight 0 to 100 yards, about 23 feet or so. Put it at the target, line your sights up to it. Pretty easy, can't beat it. So I think the gun company, the gunsmith down the road, charges $30 to sight in a rifle, and they've got like a 6-week backlog. I could do this in a weekend, right? Buy two, you save your money. So neat thing is, 2-wod has some coupon deals on Amazon, and I'm going to put this in the article so that you can save money when you buy more than one of their pieces of equipment.